Need a tasty recipe that's ready in just a few minutes? There's nothing better than tomato and eggs. When they're in season, I prefer to use fresh tomatoes. Today I'll use pear tomatoes. Remove the ends, and we'll cut them up into cubes. For tomatoes, it is always better to use a serrated knife. And let's move to the stovetop. In a non-stick pan, drizzle in some olive oil and saute the chopped onion. Let that cook for at least 5 minutes, until the onions have become soft and almost transparent. Add in the tomatoes too, and we'll make this into a quick sauce with a nice pinch of salt. Stir it together, and it'll be ready in 5 minutes. We can add the eggs. We will prepare spaces for our eggs, just like that, with the spatula. There is no need to make a real hole, but we simply need to create a little space for the eggs. Then slide the eggs that you have already cracked into their little spaces. A little salt, just on the egg white, and a bit of pepper. And we will let that cook with the cover on for 5 minutes. Of course, you can choose to cook the eggs however you like them, but I suggest cooking them like this: a well-cooked egg white and a runny yolk. Top the pan off with some chopped parsley. And there! Our tomato and eggs are ready to be enjoyed. They are a very easy and delicious side dish.
Bon appétit!